How much do you study? Oh, sorry, the wrong question. How much do you use your smartphone? Most of you will say, hey, I don't use it much. I just look some studying stuff. Stop. Please stop lying. The moment you woke up, your smartphone is beside you. You unlock it and you just open some app. Let's assume you open WhatsApp. You look at the text and reply them, which takes like 10 minutes. Then you look at useless status updates by your friends. Then you switch to another app. Let's say it's Facebook. Yes, it's Facebook. You scroll down and down, wasting your precious time on something which you don't even care. And remember that you are still in your bed and you haven't woke up. This is the problem, your phone. This is the damn problem. By the way, before we start, press on the subscribe button right now for more videos like this and stay in touch with us. Your mobile phone is eating you up without your awareness. From the moment you woke up to the moment you sleep, how much do you use your smartphone? Compare the time you use your smartphone versus the time you study. You will see a huge difference between them. Of course, you might say that you use your smartphone to do various studying things, but believe me, it's eating you up. It drains down your focus and ability to concentrate. Tell me, how much times were you distracted when you open your book? How much times you just close up the book and tell that I cannot study now, I am bored? Tell me how much times you just quit without studying. This is all because of your smartphone. You are distracted easily. Your focus is dead. Let me show you something. This is the state of our minds today. We are at this hyper-stimulated states where we bounce around different bunch of apps which are stimulating our minds. So what if we decided to reduce the stimulation? So think that you use your smartphone normally like 2 hours per day. I know that you guys are using more than this. What if we reduced it to 30 minutes? If you use your smartphone only 30 minutes a day for a month, believe me, you will see a huge difference in your focus, attention and concentration. It will take about a week to adjust into this new state of lower stimulation. Research also shows that our minds take about 8 days to fully calm down and rest. You will have more wide attention span, more ideas and more plans. Your brain will begin to focus into your studies more. Imagine you have a PowerPoint presentation tomorrow in the classroom. If you have a lower level of stimulation, as I said before, your mind will focus on that task. You will get ideas which have never struck your mind before. If you sit down to study and cannot focus, then you must reduce your time on this nasty thing, the phone. So finally, I want you to do these 2 things. Number 1, limit your screen time, and number 2, let your mind wander off. Eventually, I guarantee you will begin to focus more on your studies and you can have a great attention span. If you enjoyed the video, press on the subscribe button right now. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.